stop your hair from shedding excessively? Well, you're blessed because that's what this video is all about. Stick around. I have set the Lord always before me. Because he is at my right hand, I will not be shaken. Psalm 16, verse 8. Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Newgrowthnaturals. My name is Samantha. I am a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles and so much more. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple recipe to reduce significantly your excessive hair shedding. Before I show you how to make this awesome recipe that will indeed reduce significantly the amount of shedding that you're experiencing, I need for you to click the subscription button below and also the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I post new video in the series. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is number 5 in the series of how to grow your natural hair long. If you want to see the first video in the series, click this link right here. With that said, let's get into this recipe. To make this amazing hair loss recipe, here's what you need. A green or black tea bag. I'm using the Lipton brand in this case, and it is decaffeinated. And then you're going to be needing a heat safe container. I'm using a glass container, and so I'm putting my tea bag in the container and pouring my hot water in, and this hot water has been brought to a boil, so I'm pouring 8 ounces on the 1 tea bag. If you don't have a measuring cup, it's okay, you can use your regular tea cup to measure this. Also, I chose personally to use a decaffeinated tea bag, but you can also use a fully caffeinated tea bag to do this mix. Seeing that I'm using a decaffeinated tea bag, I am not careful to let it sit for as long as it possibly can. But if you're using a fully caffeinated black or green tea bag, you need to take it out at least 5 minutes after putting it in and allow the water to cool without the tea bag. After about 15 minutes of letting the tea bag sit in the water, I'm squeezing it out, and then I'm going to filter it into my applicator bottle so that it will be easier to apply to my scalp. I'll be only applying this mixture to my scalp. Just in case you're wondering how a tea bag is going to stop your hair from shedding, here's how it works. Hair loss or shedding is caused by an hormone called DHT. Caffeine blocks DHT and its effect on your hair follicles. Before I show you how to do this treatment, let's have a little talk. Our hair goes through growth phases, that's anagen, catagen, and telogen. Anagen stage is the stage where your hair is growing, and catagen is the brief stage where your hair is transitioning from the growth phase to the resting phase. And at last, telogen is the stage where your hair is shedding. Your hair falls out. If you're really experiencing excessive shedding, you need to go see a doctor because that can be caused by so many underlying illness and cysts. Go see your doctor. Until then, let me tell you, I'm not going to go in depth with this hair shedding issue because I need to do an alopecia series. That's a whole lot of video by itself because I need to dig down in there and tell you all what really caused this, how to treat that. But y'all need to see a doctor. So let me say that. Stress, hormones, medications, lack of vitamins. Yeah. And that's what I want to touch on right now. Vitamin deficiency. The top vitamins that cause your hair to shed when you're deficient of these vitamins: vitamin D, vitamin A, iron, and biotin. How do you know the difference between your hair shedding or breakage? Well, it's simple. When your hair comes out from your follicles, when it sheds, then there's a little bulb on the hair strand at the bottom, and that's how you know that it sheds from the root. If your hair broke off, you won't see that bulb present, however long the length may be. So that's where the difference. Comment below, let me know if your hair is shedding excessively or really is your hair breaking, because then I'll know how to do another video to address that issue. And I really want to help you personally. So guys, comment below and let me know what's happening with your hair. So your answer below will determine what my next video will be, whether it's about the causes of your hair shedding, right? I'll go in depth on each individual cause of the possible reasons why your hair is shedding, or if it's about your hair breaking. If I have more comments that say that my hair is breaking, I'll do a video. My next video will be on what is causing your hair to break and how to fix it. Okay? So I think our tea is ready now. Let's get to it. Now that our tea is cooled, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to apply this to your scalp. So you want to make sure that you're using it only on your scalp because caffeine tends to be extremely drying to the hair. Another thing that I forget to mention is that you can also use coffee to do this. Ensure that you don't use a lot and ensure that you don't keep it on for more than 50 minutes on your hair because that's a lot of caffeine. So I'm washing my hair thoroughly. Just one wash with the shampoo at first, cleaning my scalp thoroughly so that the product can penetrate my hair follicles easily. And once I'm done washing, I'm going to go ahead and apply this tea to my hair. And ladies, please observe that I'm only using shampoo to clean my scalp. I'm not using it down the length of my hair. Please note that I'm only applying this tea to my scalp and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes on my scalp, then wash thoroughly with shampoo once more and follow with a conditioner. And you want to ensure that you do a moisturizing deep conditioner as well because this tends to be extremely drying on your hair. Also, you don't want to continue treating your hair with this for more than twice per month and also like a month and a half. And like I said, you will see great results by doing this. Just showing you that I use a conditioner to wash down the length of my hair. So now that I've finished conditioning my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and wash it out thoroughly. Some other benefits of the tea rinse, apart from stopping shedding, excessive shedding that is thicker hair and also to promote hair growth. So after doing this for 2 weeks, you should see a significant decrease in your hair shedding. Let me know below what your results are. And if this doesn't work, if your shedding persists, you definitely need to see your doctor. So while I'm not a person that likes to take vitamins or supplements, I like to eat up my... Is that an airplane? Sorry about that. So I like to eat up my green leafy vegetables, all my fruits, all that good stuff to get my first and vitamin, my healthy vitamin from these fruits. If you're not that type of person, you can go ahead and take supplements. But before you take those supplements, ensure that you get tested to see if you're indeed lacking these vitamins, because overdose in vitamins like vitamin A can cause hair loss as well. So it can prevent it and it can cause it, if you understand what I'm saying. So you'll know if your shedding is stress related. If you notice that your hair started falling out after a stressful period, like 3 months after a stressful ordeal, you'll know that this is caused by stress. And all you have to do is relax. Take a chill pill. Just relax. Pray. Ask God to help you. Exercise. Try to get enough sleep. Try to encourage yourself. Play some music. Yeah, whatever you got to do, whatever works for you, lower that stress level and you'll be good in no time. And use this recipe that I give you. And if you think that your excessive hair loss is caused from your medication that you're taking, talk to your doctor about it. Find out, go on Google, find out what is the ingredients that are in your medications, and then you can know that, oh, the side effect is hair loss, or this has a high amount of that can lead to hair loss. And then you talk to your doctor about it and you guys work it out to see what you can do, because we don't want to be bald. And guys, I need for you to pause this section so I can talk to the females. So females, we all know that all of us, or most of us, unless you're going through menopause or something, we have our menstrual cycle each month, and that can lead to a deficiency in iron. If you're not intaking a lot of iron, we can lose a lot of blood during that phase, and that can cause your hair to go as well. So a word to the wise, either you take your irons or you eat green leafy vegetables, eggs and fish, food that are rich in irons. I'm no dietitian, but I'm telling you what I eat that helps. Yeah. Guys, you can unmute now. I'm done talking to the ladies, so let's do this. So now we're finally discussing your hair loss issues. I need for you, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, to go ahead and subscribe below, click the notification bell, because twice per week or sometimes 3 times for the week I upload new content that is helpful in your hair growth journey. And also, I would love to hear from you. If you're in this hair growth series, I'd like for you to comment below what you've been doing to your hair, what your regimen like. Is it working? Is it not working? And also what videos you'd like me to do for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.